Welcome to this video about learning how to increase your network marketing income. This video is perfect for anyone looking to learn the basics of making money in network marketing and how to make it a more successful venture. Thank you for subscribing to our channel and watching our video. Your support is the reason we do what we do, and we're so grateful for it. Now, we are talking about key of success in network marketing business. If you want make money online from home, network marketing business can be right choice for you. Start by evaluating your current network marketing situation. What kind of products are you selling? Who is your target audience? And are you using the right tools to reach these people? Next, analyze your sales funnel. Are there any holes in your funnel that need to be plugged? Can you switch out some of the products you're selling in order to make them more profitable? Take a look at your current marketing strategy. Are you using the right strategies to reach your target audience? If not, it's time to develop a new strategy that will allow you. Network marketing can be a great way to earn income, but it can also be challenging to increase your income as you build your business. Here are some tips that may help. Build your network. The foundation of network marketing is building a strong network. This means reaching out to people, building relationships, and expanding your circle of influence. Attend networking events, connect with people on social media, and reach out to your existing network to introduce them to your business. Focus on your products. The products you offer are the backbone of your network marketing business. Make sure you are familiar with your products and can speak confidently about their benefits. If you believe in your products, it will be easier to sell them to others. Provide value. In order to build a loyal customer base and team, you need to provide value to them. This means providing great customer service, offering training and support, and helping them achieve their goals. Be consistent. Consistency is key when it comes to building a successful network marketing business. Set a schedule and stick to it. Make time for networking. Follow up with leads, and continue to build your team. Embrace technology. The internet has made it easier than ever to connect with people and build a network marketing business. Use social media, email marketing, and other digital tools to reach a wider audience and build your brand. Attend events. Attending events, such as conferences and training sessions, can be a great way to learn new skills, connect with others in the industry, and gain motivation to continue building your business. Find a mentor. Look for someone in your network marketing company who has achieved the level of success you aspire to. Reach out to them and ask for their guidance and support. Having a mentor can help you avoid common pitfalls and accelerate your success. Remember, building a successful network marketing business takes time and effort. By focusing on building your network, providing value, being consistent, embracing technology, attending events, and finding a mentor, you can increase your income and achieve your goals. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch our video and subscribing to our channel. We appreciate your support and hope you find our content valuable.